This week, I'm going to show you how to create one of these, a silhouette. How many times have you needed a silhouette? Not one that you find out on the web somewhere, but you actually have your subject already that you want to make into a silhouette and then put into another background. Well, I'm going to show you how you can quickly achieve that goal. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is unlock the layer by clicking on it. Then say OK here. Then we want to make a selection of our subject by coming up to Select, Subject. Once you see the marching ants around your subject, you know that it has been selected. Then you're going to come here to add new mask layer. Click on that icon and she has been taken out of that background. So the next thing you want to do is add a new layer, drag the layer under your subject. Then you're going to come over here in your foreground and background selection. You're going to toggle between the two, typically whichever color you want. In this case, we're going to be using a white background. So then we're going to come up to the paint bucket tool, click on that, choose it, and then just click right in the background. And now that's white. So what you want to do now is add a new layer on top of the mask layer by clicking on new layer. So now we want to select the mask. You're going to hold down Command and click on the mask. So the next thing you want to do is come over to toggle between your foreground and your background. And this time you want the foreground to be black. Then choose your paint bucket tool again, come in and click on the subject, and there's your silhouette. Now in order to get rid of the marching ants, Command D on Mac and Alt D on Windows. In the case that you want to actually use this silhouette in another background, you want to make it a transparent background, and you achieve that by turning off the layer. You do that by clicking on the eye icon here. And there's your transparent background. You want to save it as a PNG so that you can use it in whatever background you want to for future use. So we're going to save this as a PNG. So go up to, you can do either save as or export as. And make sure you have PNG chosen, then export it. So we're going to name this Chef Silhouette so that we can find it again. And then we want to open it up, go and grab it, click on Silhouette, and see now you have her completely cut out. So in the case that you want to change that background color, you can come right here, add a new layer, make sure the layer is under her, and then you can come right here, maybe solid color, whatever color you want to be in the background. Or you want to add a different background here, just turn the layer off by clicking on the eye. In order to bring it into this actual file, you come down to Place Linked. And then you go and find whatever the image that you want to use. Okay, let's say if we wanted to put her in a grungy background, then you just hit play. You find your background, hit place, and there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.